So let's understand unordered lists in this video. To write unordered lists, we have to use the UL tag. So opening UL and closing UL, as it is the pair tag. This is also a block level tag. This means it will push the next content to a new line. So we have this unordered list, but we don't have any list items. So the output is empty. So let's add list items by using the li tag. Opening li and closing li. This is also a block level and a pair tag. So the first item would be in this list ball, then the second item would be bat, and the third item would be phone. If I save the file, you can see we have an unordered list ball, bat, and phone, and this list is preceded by disk icons. These are circles filled with black color. We can set the type here, type, and give a value disk. The default value is disk. If we don't write this under the hood, the browser interpret the type as a disk. So if we save the file, you can see there is no change, but we can give here, let's say, circle. If I save the file, you can see the list items are preceded by circles. These circles are not filled with black colors. Also, we can give here another value, which is square, and if I save the file, you can see the list items are preceded by square symbols. And we can give a value none as well. So if we write none and save the file, you can see the list items are not preceded by any symbol. We can use this none value in the ordered list as well. So in the OL tag, we can write this type attribute and also give this none value. So in the unordered list, we have another facility that we can use an image as a symbol. So in our first folder, I have this pic.jpg. So let's use this as a list symbol. So in between this opening and closing li tag, before the ball text, I'm gonna write the image tag, and I'm gonna give the source here pic.jpg, and I will give the width 10 pixel. If I save the file, you can see there is a picture before the list item. So if I want to add the image to other list items, I have to copy the image tag, then I have to paste this in those list items. If I save the file, you can see the list items are preceded by that image. Awesome.